it in.
Okay. Ready?
Hey, how goes it?
It's me, the real Aja P.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
We are back again, people. We are back again. I'm so excited. I'm telling you, it's been a while. We're not going on a vacation this time. But we are again back trying international foods. The last time it was just me and my sister to where we tried Japanese snacks. And my cousin saw that. He was like, I don't want to be in the next one. So we're not trying Japanese snacks this time. I wanted to switch it up to where we're actually trying Turkish snacks. So I actually saw this on Amazon. We're going to see the clip there. But I saw it on Amazon. It's not sponsored, but sponsor me. And I just wanted to try different international foods. So since we went to Japan, we're trying something different. And I saw theirs, and I'm kind of excited about it. So this is our first time trying Turkish snacks. So what y'all think?
I'm ready. I'm excited.
I'm nervous.
Do you think it's going to be like sweeter than American snacks? Or?
I don't think it's sweeter, but I like that they treats look like cakes and.
She just want cake all the time. That's what, see what happened last time.
It's alright. They make me mad.
But we're gonna try these. Are y'all ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Again, this is not sponsored, but I did want to show you all the box. It is very, very gorgeous, very decorative all around. Look at my sister. As well as it does come with a cute little enjoy tab with all the different goodies compact inside. It does come with a guide that shows you very good description of every single treat that there is, as well as what good drink goes with them. Again, this is the box, and let's get back to the video.
This box is so cute too. So,
Oh, it's a jam pack.
oh, they actually had it. No, I thought it was a drink. Okay, so I'm gonna take everything out, and then we can try it all at once. Okay, see, this is what I was talking about. The food in the tube, I do not trust. I don't like that. I don't trust.
Girl, that look like Colgate, like some old school Colgate.
It don't look good.
They're like a ointment.
It's true.
I'm gonna put the box over
Yeah,
here. With the box, they gave you like a guide telling you what the snack is. So I'm kind of excited about that.
Yeah.
So Freddie, check out the first snack. Let's get this started.
Oh, that's it.
Okay. I don't know. Wait, what is it?
It says Super Roll Hazelnut.
Okay.
Wafers filled with cream. So I think I've had something like this.
Oh, it's really cute. They tell you what will be good with it too. So they have like coffee, tea, and like milk with it.
Oh, that's cute.
If a cup of hot tea is not around, it is good without a cup of tea too. Yeah. So let's try this one. You tried it without us?
Wow. Oh, wow.
Let's try this out. It's flakier than what I thought it was going to be. It's not as sweet as I thought it was going to be either.
That's just how I thought it was.
That's good.
The one here is way sweeter,
Mm-hmm.
but it's way flakier than it is. I like that one too. It's on you, Shingles. Shorty do wop.
I thought she
Yeah, I thought she was going to
Yeah, you got the cortisone cream.
Wow. Balik.
Balik?
Balik?
Either plain or corn flavored. This fish shaped crackers are fun. You will never be this good at fishing. Wow. Okay. It's good with soda, tea, or coffee, they say.
I'm getting the snack that smells back.
Goldfish.
Honestly, it looks just like goldfish, but just not orange, like hard green. Ready?
They do look like goldfish.
They do look just like goldfish.
You ready?
1, 2, 3. It tastes like.
It's nasty.
Really?
Tastes like
Nothing.
Really? It's
Right.
not that bad.
No,
Not that bad.
it tastes like nothing. Like I feel like this is what you would put in your chili
Or it's soup. I was just
or
gonna
soup
say
or
that's
something
soup.
like that. It tastes
plain,
like
very plain.
very not a goldfish at all.
Your turn.
Your turn.
Oh,
Mm.
and it's spicy too.
Yep.
I don't even know how to say it. A pat laying is giving very much a pretzel stick.
Yeah, so don't mind me. I read the wrong description.
Or Herbie. The Herbie one is different. The herbs, I don't know. I guess the other one is cheesy, so. But it says you're supposed to drink it with soda or tea. I like that to give you those references too.
Yeah.
Mm.
I'm nervous.
Me too.
Oh.
It's very seasoned.
Yeah.
It's
Feel
Like,
Ready?
like a habanero.
Woo! 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's not.
That's actually pretty good.
that's alright. It's
Plain and
different.
spicy.
It's not even spicy. You'll think it'll taste like something different, but
I
it
feel like
doesn't.
I've had something that's kind of spectacular. That's like
I like the crunch behind it.
The flavoring is really good, honestly.
That's alright.
Okay. I will eat that. It's on you, Freddie.
Alright. It says chocolate coated caramel biscuit with natural artificial flavors.
Oh, okay, that one.
It feels like it could be chewy.
One of the oldest standing snacks in the market. Herbie is light chocolate for casual snacking.
Casual snack.
It's good for dipping in tea, they said. Have it with coffee.
At this point, everything on that box is good
It's
for
with tea.
Honestly.
I think the Turkish people have a thing for tea.
My English? That's just the tea too. He's like, oh, I was about to say something. He's struggling over there.
I know.
Oh, it's a Pop Tart.
Almost.
It's not like what I was thinking it was gonna be.
Oh, it's like
It's
really chewy.
definitely not. It's like,
Oh, that's like a Snicker. Look at that. Okay, Snicker. Thicker than a Snicker.
oh, she
Like
did.
your little one.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Definitely with some hot to break it down.
It tastes like a Kit Kat, honestly.
That caramel definitely get on Snickers.
Not like what
You
I
better not
thought.
have a loose tooth.
Oh yeah, cause the caramel definitely.
I'm telling you.
It's a wrap.
Subway route. It's on you, Shorty Doo-Wop.
Let's
It said that was the favorite snacks of Turks during World War II. It is not fancy, but it has survived all the way through the 2020s.
I like how they described that one. I mean, it ain't fancy. I mean, it's alright. It'll do.
It ain't the Oreo, but
It'll suffice.
Right. You'll be alright. My gosh.
Ready.
1,
It's so cute.
2, 3.
I bust down on these with some hot cocoa and some milk. It made me feel thin, but I'm still eating some.
It's alright.
Like I said,
A lot of their snacks,
Boring.
they taste the same a little
Yeah,
bit.
they do.
They taste a little bit of the same. Oh, it's a brownie. My favorite dessert.
I like the way they do the bee. It looks so black. Brown.
Here. Classic one with plain and cherry infused. Okay, hopefully this is the plain one. Cherry infused. People love to use this one as a birthday cake. A rather small one, but it works to get older.
Please let it be plain.
Right, because that cherry one will burst my bubble, honestly. You ready?
Ready.
Yep.
Oh,
Oh, it's alright.
it's
It's more.
It's more.
Yeah.
It's thick. She thick again. It's on you. I'm waiting for these. What are those?
These
What are those? I'm sorry.
Crispy tortilla.
It is somewhere in between a savory cracker and chips. It's like a tortilla chip a little bit.
Right, like the round ones.
It's giving vegan. Very diet.
As far as flavor, it's not bad.
Not as flavored.
It tastes like cheese a little bit.
It is a little cheese. It's giving me a little oniony too.
Mm-hmm.
That one's different.
It's not bad though. What a nasty one's that?
It's on you. Yeah, but it's gonna be nasty too.
Oh, because I'm childish. I didn't know what they look like. It says burger.
This burger is a funny snack for both kids and adults. It's a hamburger-shaped biscuit filled with chocolate cream.
Yeah.
Osmo is a chocolate illustration character like Bart Simpson.
I never knew that. like childish, like it would be on Noggin. It'll be on Nick Jr. Like
They said Bart Simpson.
Like Bart Simpson. Good with milk and juice. Okay. Oh. I could smell it as soon as you open it.
Really?
It really looks like a burger. It looks like a patty.
like a burger.
And then look, we got something on to make it supposed to be like cheese.
1, 2, 3. They said biscuit.
For scar.
And they kind of.
So it's not bad.
Call us what?
It's not bad.
Try that one.
Yeah. I remember seeing this one. Either carrot, coconut, fruit, or chocolate flavor. Some Turkish people call it as the best packaged cake ever. Hope you agree.
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
You get dry.
It is dry. It's not bad, but it is dry.
Very dry.
It's on you though.
Tube chocolate.
I don't trust tube food. I just don't think that's safe. I don't think that's right. I just think of like minced meat in a tube.
Stick your finger
Big.
out. Ooh.
It's like Nutella in a tube. No, I like melted Tootsie Roll in a tube.
I don't know who the hell wants to sit there and eat a super chocolate. But hey.
Yeah, hey.
There it is.
It's on you, Shorty.
Shorty do why?
9 cat tap. 9 cat tap.
Wafers filled with banana paste. I hate artificial bananas. Oh, there I go.
Bitty bitty bum bum.
I can definitely smell the banana.
Oh yeah, that's strong.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's a negative Ghost Rider. I can't even front.
Too much for now.
Oh, one moment. We're back. And that was nasty. This one. Wait, I'm sorry. Cat. Croissant-ish bakery in a Turkish style filled with goodness inside. And it is
I probably would like the
croissant-ish.
strawberry. Ooh.
Very much croissant-ish.
Their treats are very different, like
Pretty. They take
and
their time.
breaded, and you know,
Smells like chocolate.
ours is like candy. Oh.
Girl, it's not spreading ever to be hard and crispy and flaky like that.
I'm like that.
Like that.
3, 2, 1. Mostly just disintegrated in my hand.
Exactly.
It gives me Nature Valley a little bit, like Butterfinger, where it's so messy.
It gave me a dream of chocolate. I dreamt it.
It gives me
Baby.
croissant Danish.
But just flaky.
Lighter.
It's giving me snacks trying to set us up.
We got 1942. Bitches giving me rich nigga vibes.
It's giving me no baby.
Bitches giving me these niggas trying to set us
Oh, I
up.
said that.
It's not like what I thought it was gonna be. I don't know if I like it, honestly.
I feel like, how could that be for tea or coffee? Like, I feel like if you dunk it,
kinda
it'll
like
disintegrate.
Yep.
Okay, so this one's called Crispy QB Cracker.
You either get, that's one, you either get both the herb or something like that. So what was the first one? Oh, the first one that we had
Was crack box.
Yeah.
Crack hot.
It's
very
peppery.
seasoned.
Right, very peppery. Very peppered. Ooh.
That little bread stick with your little croissant, little bread stick with your little spaghetti.
A little cheese with a little croissant.
Yeah, my little croissant, little cheese on my croissant. Yeah.
Are y'all ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. It just tastes like pepper to me.
Tastes like something you're supposed to put in a pot to make food to a good roast beef or something.
Right.
I promise.
It's not for me.
It's seasoned well.
It really does taste like pepper.
It tastes really good, to be honest.
As a crust base.
They have a lot of like bread and pretzel type of snacks, I
Snacks,
realized too.
That's what I was saying, like, their snacks are different than ours. Like,
Yeah.
we're candies and there's like
We remember we have
cakes
potato
and-
chips and stuff like that. We have a lot of chips, but they have like a lot of kind of
cakes
cracker
and pies
type of.
and fillings.
Like,
and
yeah.
fillings
It's on you.
and-
This one.
Mm-hmm. Nutty Max.
The Turkish are obsessed with layers.
Oh, very much so. 2 layers of wafer filled with hazelnut cream in between.
They love hazelnut.
Right. Turkey is the land of hazelnut.
Period.
And it accounts for the 60% of hazelnuts produced over the globe.
Ah, makes sense.
Nutty Max is one of the most successful snacks that we have. Oh, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
You ready? It looks like you got like marshmallow milk.
Oh, oil.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Right. Oh, I can believe that one now. And the nice one. Oh, that's nice.
That's not bad at all.
But, with a peanut in it. And I don't even do peanut like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, my mom would love that. That's like the remix on the Nutty Bunny.
A little bit. Nuts party.
That's party?
Nuts party. Popped kernels shaped as chips. You could even have the herb mix, cheddar, or onion. Flavors or burning hot they have as well.
That's crazy.
Not like what I thought it was gonna look like.
Are they like corn nuts?
They're
Bruh.
like puffs.
Bruh.
They're like puffs. They're not like what they're showing on the picture. So it's not like, what are the ones we have?
Nut ones.
Yeah, the corn nuts that we have, but it's just like, it looks like, remember Kix, the cereal?
Mhm.
That's what it kind of reminds me of. 1, 2, 3.
Ugh. That's gross.
I tried to whip nut.
Yeah, they're nasty.
I could rock with it. I could lean with it.
Oh, you busted down on them?
I could hit Jay with it.
These the only ones I've liked so much so far. It's on you. It's called Pofty. A fluffy marshmallow, already ill for me.
Yeah, it's definitely real nasty.
It is small, consistent, mostly consumes in 2 bites. It comes with different colors, but mostly with identical taste.
So you mean somebody come in different colors all, but all tastes the same?
Not like, I don't like the consistency of marshmallow, unless it's like it's a s'more or something like that, but I do not like the consistency of just regular marshmallow.
Sounds pretty good. I mean, like,
It's strawberry for sure, I can smell it from here.
that's
It is strong, I can smell it from here. That's,
That's gummy.
it's thick, you're right. It's, baby got, it's squishy.
Baby got back.
3, 2, 1.
Really? The sprinkles and it's just the fluff for me.
It wasn't that
It probably
bad.
could've been alright without the
It wasn't
sprinkles.
that bad.
It's on your room.
Give me some of them,
Yep.
that's
Biscolata.
Biscolata. Yeah, Biscolata.
Biscolata mood.
Mood,
Chocolate
baby.
bombs with
It's a
fortune
mood, baby.
telling. Each one has a small picture on it. So each of them has a symbol on it and explains what symbol is it on the back.
On the back of
What
what?
it means. Go ahead.
On the back of what? I can't see.
Is it, I was gonna say, was it coming off for you?
Because I don't know what the symbols are. I think.
Was it in a different language?
Oh, I ain't thinking that.
Girl, that'd be the game.
Oh,
I think it is.
Never know.
It's in a different language. Y'all ain't tell us.
Well, it is a box full of Turkish.
Yeah. Oh wow. It reminds me of
The panda ones that they have.
That's exactly what
And I love those.
one.
Yeah,
All right.
one. That one might be nasty. Ring on it.
Oh, and then let me see which one I got. A plane. Okay, we taking flights and an umbrella, and we jumping off.
Mine's a butterfly, and this one is a letter.
Ooh.
So I'm getting mail. I'm getting the money. I get the money.
I get the money!
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Crunchier.
Oh, it's crunchier than its Japanese counterpart.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but they're not bad.
I didn't expect those to be nasty. Those pretty much always good.
They a move.
And Nicole.
Ain't your bride. What's big is in your pocket, so you pride. It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
Culture. Don't mind me, I'm just.
On to the next one. Where this one is original, but I think it's tomato and onion. It's called Pizza Cracker. Pizza was first introduced to the Turkish market in the early 90s.
So it's been around.
And it was a failure. Turkish people did not like it, and almost all pizza restaurants were closed within few years. This was until Ninja Turtles started a screen on TVs. All of a sudden, Turkish
Pizza
mothers
became a
ended
thing.
up with their children festering and nagging to have pizza. This gave the opportunity to pizza producers to rise from their ashes. All it took was some knucklehead mutant Ninja Turtles for the Turkish people to get back on their pizzas. He's getting pepper very much again. 1, 2, 3. It's softer than what I thought.
I don't taste like no pizza to me.
No.
It's very
The mild
mildly.
pizza taste too.
I mean, it'd be good. Some soup.
It's not terrible though, but I feel like it's
No,
like
it's
a
not.
lot
It's
of
definitely. It reminds me of a soup cracker.
and a lot of them do. A lot of them
Y'all eat
do.
y'all soup over there, huh?
Your turn.
No, it's on you.
Oh.
The legacy item. Woo! AKA stick cracker is the most basic snack ever produced in the world.
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, you have to press
Give me
Take
very
those
much
out,
espresso. One left, one left.
I will not eat. All right. So,
Wow, because it got
Coconut.
in it? Oh, yeah.
No, because I ate banana and I hate banana. A new hype in Turkish snack market. Yes, it's very huge. I can't, in 10 different flavors.
Yep, I can smell the coconut.
And can't, into, it smells like petroleum jelly a little bit. Does it not?
It smells like something you put on your skin.
Like petroleum jelly. 3, 2, 1.
Not bad. Those are something I probably wouldn't buy from the store. I think that was actually okay.
It's not terrible, but
if it was milder on the coconut, I might have been happy. I might have let it pass, but it was just like, boom.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had a praying grandmother.
What's poppin'?
ooh.
Coconut.
Out of all of them, which one was your favorite?
My favorite probably.
My favorite too.
But it either had to be the Nutty Max,
Which one was that?
the one I was almost like Nutty,
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
or might be these.
Wow. I guess it smelled and tastes like pepper. But mine would probably have to be
And a nice little third would probably be the brown. Cause that thing was nice and moist.
with dirt.
It was thick. It was
Food is so big.
Look.
Have mercy.
Thank y'all so much for being here and watching us try these Turkish snacks. We are going to be going somewhere else next time for this. In the comments below, what should we try?
Yes,
what kind
definitely.
of snacks are good to try? I know we have another store here, World of America store or something like
Something like
that.
that.
that we can try find some snacks there too. It's always interesting to see what they eat on the regular because it's always different from what Americans eat because we mostly have something that's more sweet. But please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to like this video. It's been really fun and I'll be talking to y'all later. Love you, mean it. Bye.
Bye.